I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 not installing update. So let's start. Now for the first method, go to the Windows search bar and type in services, open it. Now once this pop up, just select any service. After that, type in W in your keyboard, search for Windows update. Once you find it, double click on it. Now this will appear, so make sure to switch the startup type for manual to automatic. After that, select start, wait for the process to finish and select apply and OK. For the next method, go to the search bar once again, type in CMD, select run as an administrator. Now this will open, so make sure to write this command: DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space restore health, and hit enter, and make sure to wait for the process in order to repair your computer. Now for the last method, go to the search and type in settings. Once this window opens, go to the search and type in troubleshoot, select troubleshoot settings, click on other troubleshooters. After that, go to the Windows update section and select run and see if that works. For the additional step, go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer. Hopefully your problem is fixed. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing, and see you on the next one.